Alright, what's going on, guys? DJ coming at you with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to alter multiple clips on color correction on Final Cut X. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is line all your clips up on the timeline. Have them line up here. As you can see, there is no corrections on any of these clips. It's clip footage that I shot. I have it here, so I'm just going to do a quick edit. These clips here, let's just do it like an enhance. Try around with it a little bit. Okay, now in comparison, you see it looks a little different, a little more saturation on the first clip. First thing you want to do is you want to save your effects on this clip. This is the easiest way. So you go down here, you hit save effects on the bottom, and you just call it, we're just going to call it drone edit. And we'll save it into the effects and my customs. Now after that's been saved, you go to custom, you find your edit, and then you just go and select all, double click, and it saves the edit that you have on all clips, and so they all look the same. And then you can make adjustments as you go, but the bare bones of it is you want the color to match on all of them. So that's what it is. Okay, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.